Hey there everyone, how are we all doing today? Today, as you can tell, we're looking at a Seiko 5, and this is a pretty unique Seiko 5 box. So the model we're looking at here, this is one of the 55th anniversary watches, and with the 55th anniversary they did do some special things. 55th anniversary of Seiko 5. Seiko is much older, but this is the anniversary for the product line Seiko 5 Sports. And here you can see Seiko 5, and then that little kind of crest looking shield is the symbol for the Masked Rider. So for their 55th, they've done a lot of collaborations for some vintage Japanese TV shows. Very cool. We looked at Ultra 7, and now this one is the Masked Rider limited edition. Check this out. This looks kind of like a computer. Tells you all the specs about the watch. Just kind of a cool box overall. I mean, Seiko's really killing it with the kind of display and the boxing of Seiko 5s in general. You know, you had the Baruto and the Ultra 7, and now the Masked Rider. You know, when they did the one piece, they could have probably done something a little more instead of just the black box with the logos on it. This one's really cool. Since it is a leather band, they decided to do it nice and long on the flat box, so that way the leather doesn't crease, because you know when you have it in the traditional boxes it kind of bends the leather, so it gives you fresh leather band look there. And look at that big chunky bezel on there. Very cool. So they collaborated with the Masked Rider. It was a television program, or is a television program. There's the guy right there, and there is the watch. It first broadcasted in 1971. I'm not sure if it's still running or not, but anybody in the comments, you can, if you know more about the Masked Rider series, please let us know. And this is based on the first Masked Rider, Takeshi Hongo, and he's captured by the evil secret society Shocker, which plans to take over the world, and undergoes remodeling surgery to become a warrior for the organization. However, Hongo escapes before his brain is remodeled and decides to fight as the Masked Rider 1 to protect the world from Shocker. Together with Masked Rider 2, Hayato Ichimonji, who has also undergone the remodeling surgery, they fight the monsters of Shocker and Gel Shocker. Thus began the running battle between the Masked Riders and the evil organization. So a lot of stuff going on there. To create the model, they designed the watch to be worn by Hongo, but they upgraded it with, you know, modern technology. And check out that big, cool, striking bezel on it. The dial is also phenomenal, and the dial is supposed to be inspired by the color pattern and the helmet of the Masked Rider 1, and that was the guy we saw at the beginning of the video. And what I like about it is, like, you see that leather band there with that red, you know, it's not just a plain black leather band strap, and you know, the calf strap, that red represents the scarf that the Masked Rider 1 wore, and the case back, you know, you got the logo on it. We were taking a look at it before while I was telling you about the TV show. It's the Tachibana Racing logo. And this is a limited edition piece. And this is SRPJ91 for those who want to know the inventory numbers. Again, SRPJ91. It is a limited edition of 4,000 pieces. I'll put it on my wrist now so you can see size-wise how it looks. And there you go. I got about a 7.5-inch wrist, and the watch looks good. You know, it's not too big, not too small. You kind of get that with all the Seiko 5s. They're really kind of an ideal size. And here we got the Masked Rider again. The movement is a 4R36, and here we got the loom on this guy. Great loom. It's 24 jewel and 41 hours. And I'd like to take time to thank you, and if you're interested in this watch, please look us up at depalas.com. We are an authorized Seiko dealer, so check it out and get yourself a Master Rider watch. Really cool tribute for the 55th anniversary. Case size 42.5 and the thickness 13.4, and lug to lug 46.0 millimeters. So great looking watch overall. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good one.